All right, going to be taking a look at MTEM right now. This is going to be the first time that I've looked at this one as well. This was requested, special request over the weekend. Taking a look at it right now, currently traded at $9.08. You know what? I was looking at this one. I was like, man, I really wish I would have got to this one a lot sooner when it was requested over here. So I think they're about right there when it was requested. So shout out to the person that requested this. Right now I don't have my list in front of me to see exactly who requested what, but shout out to you if you're watching this right now for requesting this one. So beautiful move here. A huge day on Friday here. Huge day on Friday. You guys opened up at 790, hitting the high of 940, and then ended up closing at $9.08. So beautiful day here all around the table. You guys have that 10 mark right there. I'm going to be watching for this to continue right up there. If we take a look here in the past as well, there's a few things I want to talk about. Look at this big move right here. You guys got multiple candles going up, and then right here, boom, the bottom drops out, goes right down to this area, leaves that huge gap. Let me go ahead and draw that out a little bit better. There we go. Leaves that huge gap in here, and look at what we're working on right over here, coming back up. That's going to give that momentum. That's why you've seen that big move that you've seen right here, because there's nothing in the back over here stopping this thing from going up once it got past that resistance level at about that $8 mark. So right now between that $8 and $12 mark, in my personal opinion, you're going to have a lot of freeway to move there. You guys are going to be at right now for the RSI. It's going to be at 84. 84 right now in the RSI. It's not oversold. It's getting up there a little bit, though. The volume was beautiful, obviously. You guys had a huge day in volume. The volume's about 1 million, considering the simple fact that the average volume for the last 20 days has been about 143,000. So that kind of gives you guys an idea around the whole table here. So with that being said, let's put in today's date at 10/7. The current price at 908, and you guys are going to have the resistance levels that I'm going to be watching at 10 and 12, okay, because where we're at right now, you guys have, you know, pretty quick moves up there, in my personal opinion. So $8 we're going to put in here for a support level, followed up by $7 right behind it. In my opinion, might have might have another day or so on moves. Depends on volume, especially on Monday, okay? My opinion, I think about $10 if the volume starts to slow down a little bit here. I think that $10 might start peaking because you guys are outside that upper Bollinger Band here. All right, I'm going to put in here, watch upper BB. All right, so I'm going to put in there, watch upper Bollinger Band. Let me go ahead and copy this real quick, and then I'll explain to you guys what I see here with this. All right, there we go. And that upper Bollinger Band is another one that I like to, you know, really keep a close eye on. Okay, the upper Bollinger Band, you guys get outside of that. Right here. Let me go ahead and draw that. So you follow this. There we go. That red line is going to be that upper Bollinger Band. Look at where that green candle is, completely outside of it. Watch that closely. It likes to ride it here. Look at this. You guys get outside a little bit there. Boom, pulls it back down. Gets outside. Boom, pulls it back down. Right here, gets outside, pulls it back down. So watch that. I think with the volume, the momentum might have one more day to push this up a little bit. But that volume starts weakening rather. That Bollinger Band's going to pull her right back in there. So we're going to watch this one, MTEM, moving forward. If this is your first time watching, I definitely encourage you to go join investorshangout.com. Share the video, like the video as well. We do appreciate that.